So typically during a major storm, we'll have more operators in the SOC, the System Operations Center. So it allows people to focus in more on where the trouble spots are. So mostly blocked roads and wires down and things of that nature. After we've responded to the public safety and made sure that roads are clear and that the emergency services can get to places they need to go and that roads are open, we will start working with the largest outages, but we also prioritize obviously hospitals, fire departments, vaccine centers today, in the storage facilities for the vaccine, in COVID-related places. We have special maps of where those are, so we can make a priority of getting there first. So in the past few years, Eversource has invested a lot of money into smart switches out in the field, somewhere over 1,200 to 1,400, and we're constantly putting them in still, and that helps us bring the customers affected down, that number itself down. So from the SOC and the ESEC, which is all really just the system operations, we're able to control switches out in the field that we can backfeed from other circuits in case we have a tree on a line or if there's a car accident or anything that would cause an outage. We're able to remote switch to pick up the most amount of customers possible. And sometimes that can be upwards of 5,000 to 10,000 customers within under 5 minutes that we can restore from remote switching from the system operations.